That's a lot further down than it looks.
We're not supposed to film. Who's going to stop me?
Cars down there, that shows you how far up we are.
Down into the depths of Mordor. Fight some orcs. Orcish things.
It's interesting, look at this.
You can see the Via Ferrata up there, which is what I came and did last time. So I won't be doing it today, but anyway. Yeah, valley below is a long way down. So that's Boots, we've been in the mine. Get back to Pepper now. What we're going to do, don't know. Find out when we get there.